Have you ever looked at a plastic product and thought, how does that go from raw pellets to a finished part in seconds? And what if your next big idea only works if you get this process right from day one? A lot of people assume injection molding is basically just machines and production lines, but the truth is, it's a design-driven process. If the part isn't designed for molding, the best factory in the world can't save you from expensive problems, delays, or a part that just won't run. Injection molding is behind most of the plastic parts you touch every day. Electronics housings, hardware components, packaging, you name it. And the cycle itself is straightforward. You melt the resin, inject it into a precision mold, let it cool, eject the part, and repeat. But the real work happens before any plastic ever hits the tool. The early design calls, like wall thickness, draft angles, gate location, and material choice, decide if the part molds cleanly or if you end up fighting warp, sink marks, flash, and other headaches. Because the mold isn't just a block of steel, it's an engineered system. The cavity shape, the runner layout, ejector pin locations, cooling channels, all of it sets the boundaries of what's possible. And material selection isn't just about cost or color. Different plastics flow differently, they shrink differently, and they cool differently. So a design that works great in one resin can fall apart in another. That's why the smartest move is to work through these variables early. At Rabbit Product Design, we've helped bring more than 2,000 products to life over the last 9 years. We guide inventors and entrepreneurs through the whole path, figuring out if injection molding makes sense, dialing in the design, building the right tooling, and getting into production. We've seen the common traps, things like skipping draft, pushing wall thickness too far, or assuming you can fix it in manufacturing. And we try to catch those issues in phase 2, before you're committed to expensive tooling changes. Here's the bottom line. Injection molding can be incredibly fast and cost-effective at scale, but only when the design sets you up to win. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't leave that to chance. Because once you're in production, fixing design mistakes usually means higher costs, delays, and a lot of rework. If you want to learn more, check out the link below. And if this was helpful, subscribe and follow along for more practical product development tips.